All right, this is the rest of our lesson. Okay, so this is a new sight word. The new sight word is go. Look at the word, go. This is for I like to go swimming. That's how that's used in a sentence. Can you think of a sentence with the word go?
I go to church on Wednesday.
Oh, I go to church on Wednesday. That's very good. All right, so let's just look at the word go. What sounds do we hear in go? G, g,
G,
o. G, well, we hear j, g, o, which is g, and then the long O sound. Right. Okay, so now let's trace over our bumpy red screen the word go. Remember, you're going to trace the letter, and then you're going to say the letter out loud. Ready?
G, O,
Go. Trace it again.
G, O, G, O.
One more time.
G, O, G, O, go.
Good. All right, now we're going to arm tap it. Let's lock it and load it. Go.
Go. G, O, go.
One more time.
Go. G, O, go.
One more time.
Go. G, O, go.
Go. Good. Now you're going to finger trace your bumpy letters. G.
G, O, go. G, O, go. G, O, go.
Very good. All right, now you're going to skywrite it. Ready?
G, O, go.
Again.
G, O, go.
Go. Again.
G, O, go.
Very good. Now you're going to write it 3 times with a crayon, a red crayon. Very good. All right, now I want you to write it from memory with pencil right here. Very good. Very good. All right, now we're going to pound out some sentences using the word go. I know this is probably not your favorite pencil. All right, so listen to me say it twice. Go and chop the log. Go and chop the log. Pounder, ready?
Go and chop the log. Go.
No. All right, write the sentence. You're doing good. Very good. Now read it.
Go and chop the log.
Very good. Last one, and then we're going to read a story. All right? So I'm going to say it twice. Can I see him go? Can I see him go? All right, pounder up.
Can I see him go?
All right, read it.
Can I see him go?
Very good job. All right, now we're going to read the chums, chop, and chop. Ready?
Chip is a chap. Chad is his chum.
Very good.
Chip did chop a log. He can chip and chop and chop and chip.
Good.
Can I chop? Did Chad see Chip chop the log? Can Chad chop?
Good. I like that expression.
Chad can chop the and Chip. Chad chops and chats. Chad and Chip chat.
Very good. Very good.